G'day, my name's Paul Goodrick from racecarparts.com.au, and today we're going to give you an overview of the Commodore Group C replica. Starting off with race car parts, what we do over there. We provide online advertising for your race cars if you want to sell them. Good and reliable race car parts, trailers, finance and insurance, and also with a national distributor for KCK Lubricants. Also on the front of the car, we've got Pete Trapnell from Trapnell Creations, does exceptional photography work. JP Garage, Paul over at Brendale. If you want a good tune on your high performance street vehicle or your race vehicle, no problem at all. Paul will get that sorted for you and produce exceptional results. Maybe Skips, rubbish removal. Oz Timing, Nathan and Cassie up there in Warwick. They do all the timing at Morgan Park Raceway and also other events around Queensland. Nathan also moonlights as an MC for motoring events if you need that type of service. Racing Evolution does all the spanner work on the vehicle, does the engine rebuilds and maintaining all the nuts and bolts that hold it together. Does a great job. Thank you to Matt and Donna. Lastly, KCK Lubricants. KCK Lubricants front to rear. All the brake fluids, oils, engine, gearbox and diff. Okay, now we'll give an overview of the car on the outside. First up, we've got 16 by 12s, front and rears, running 275 Hoosier slicks. We've got 355 AP Racing 6-pot brakes up front, and we've got 4-pot rears. Okay, inside we've got a couple of Velo race seats, XLs for normal size humans, OMP steering wheel, quick release, dash with a couple of gauges, a few switches, T56 shifter, grip shifter, fire extinguisher, got a pedal box, and a bit of checker plate to keep the feet off the floor. In the rear, we've got the fuel system set up with an 8 litre drop tank, fuel filters, swirl pot, battery and dual fuel pumps. Okay, now the good bits, the engine bay. Custom made alloy radiator, full house LS3, fully forged internals, fed by 4-barrel fast injection system into a needle block manifold, down into AFR heads with a custom made extractors, down into a twin 3-inch exhaust. We've got the Murray Coupe canisters on the firewall there, with our 3 master cylinders off the pedal box, and a nice custom made alloy catch can. We have a Melwood T56 6-speed gearbox into a 9-inch true track rose jointed 4-link rear suspension system. Okay, now we'll see how she sounds.